Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting the essentials and taking immediate action. Install a controlled runtime and pin versions so your offline setup won't drift. Pick a smaller or distilled model to cut memory and compute needs, and download the model file, tokenizer, and any runtime wheels before you go offline. Once done, create a virtual environment and place the artifacts in a known local path. This prevents missing dependency errors later and makes reproducible builds when you reproduce the offline workflow. Now optimize the model for offline constraints so it runs reliably on limited hardware. Quantize or prune to shrink size and lower inference cost, then convert to an efficient runtime format like ONGS or TorchScript so execution is portable. Test speed and outputs locally. If mismatches occur, adjust calibration. Also set up persistent local caches for tokenization and pre-computed embeddings to avoid recomputation. This saves time and storage I/O and makes cold finish by validating results and packaging everything into a deployable bundle so you can run truly offline. Run a test suite to confirm numeric fidelity, measure latency and memory, then wrap the model, runtime, configs, and a startup script into one artifact. Deploy it to the target device and monitor resource usage. If something goes wrong, first check for mismatched operator versions, missing native libraries, or poor quantization calibration. Resolving those typically restores correct offline inference quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.